Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is banker's discount. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. A bill for $6,000 is drawn on July 14th at 5 months. It is discounted on October 5th at 10%. Find the banker's discount, true discount, banker's gain, and the money that the holder of the bill receives. Here is an answer with explanation. Face value of the bill equals $6,000. Date on which the bill was drawn equals July 14th at 5 months. Nominally due date equals December 14th. Legally due date equals December 17th. Date on which the bill was discounted equals October 5th. Unexpired time is calculated as days between October 26th, November 30th and December 17th, which equals 73 days, which is nothing but 1 divided by 5 year. Therefore, the banker's discount equals simple interest of $6,000 for 1 divided by 5 year equals 6,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 100 equals $120. True discount equals 6,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 by 5 divided by 100 plus 10 multiplied by 1 by 5, which equals to $117.64. Therefore, banker's gain equals banker's discount minus true discount equals 120 minus 117.64 is equal to $2.36. Money received by the holder of the bill equals 6,000 minus 120 is equal to $5,880. The true discount on a certain sum due 6 months hence at 15% is $120. What is the banker's discount on the same sum for the same time and at the same rate? Here is an answer with explanation. Banker's gain equals simple interest on true discount equals 120 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 100 is equal to $9. Therefore, banker's discount minus true discount equals $9. Therefore, banker's discount equals 120 plus 9 is equal to $129. The banker's discount on $1,800 at 12% per annum is equal to the true discount on $1,872 for the same time at the same rate. Find the time. Here is an answer with explanation. Simple interest on $1,800 equals true discount on $1,872. Therefore, present worth of $1,872 equals $1,800. $72 is the simple interest on $1,800 at 12%. Therefore, time equals 100 multiplied by 72 divided by 12 multiplied by 1800 year equals 1 by 3 year equals 4 months. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2_Windows x64_bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring, and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 1. Let initialize face value, discounted value, percentage, and unexpired time variables. Next, banker's discount is calculated as the product of face value, discounted value, unexpired time, and percentage. Next, true discount is calculated as the product of face value, discounted value, unexpired time divided by 100.0 plus discounted value multiplied by unexpired time. Next, banker's gain is calculated as banker's discount minus true discount. Next, money received is the difference between face value and banker's discount. Here, I am printing the banker's discount, true discount, banker's gain, and money received by calling banker's discount method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount 1 method. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 2. Let initialize true discount, rate, and duration variables. Next, banker's gain is calculated as the product of true discount, rate, duration, and 0.01. Next, banker's discount equals true discount plus banker's gain. Here, I am printing the banker's discount value. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount 2 method. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the discounts for earlier solved problem 3. Let initialize amount 1, difference and duration variables. Next, time is calculated as 100 multiplied by difference divided by duration multiplied by amount 1. Here, I am printing the time value in months. Execute the code by right-clicking on the banker's discount 3 method. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica.